This conference will now be recorded.
Sorry?
No. I logged registered into the developer account yesterday.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. If you have any doubts on yesterday's session, you can ask.
No. We can continue.
Otherwise, let's once recap what we have discussed yesterday.
Okay.
What do you understand what is meant by cloud computing?
Cloud computing is everything on nothing on the client side. He needs just the internet to access all the things which are on the vendor side.
Okay. So here the key factor is internet. Through it, we will connect to the vendor through a device. Device means laptop, desktop, tab, whatever it may be. Through the internet, and we will make use of development environment, right? Processing and storage abilities, right? This phenomena is nothing but cloud computing. And there are various clouds like sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud,
collaboration, and force.com.
Yes, and force.com cloud. So marketing cloud is nothing but creating an awareness.
Yeah.
Sales cloud is nothing but marketing plus selling our products. Service cloud is nothing but providing a service.
Yeah.
Right?
Call center.
Force.com is nothing but it's a platform given by the Salesforce, provided by the Salesforce, right? Next, what are the editions are there? There are few editions like professional edition, unlimited edition, enterprise edition, developer edition. So all the editions are paid one. So we have developer edition.
Yeah.
Yesterday, which we have created.
Yes.
Have you created your developer edition?
Yeah, I created it.
Okay. And 3 types of versions: winter, spring, summer.
Yeah.
So every year Salesforce will release 3 versions, like every year 50, winter 20, summer 20, like that. Okay, spring 20, next year winter 21, spring 21, summer 21. So for every version they will provide
new features. New features are added. Yeah.
Yes, new features will be added. It's like add-on. We are getting additional functionalities. It will not affect the development environment or application. Okay, clear about that?
Yeah.
There are different types, 4 types of sandboxes: developer sandbox, developer pro, partial copy, and full copy.
Yeah.
So it varies based data size will be varied, and developer sandbox and developer sandbox, it will copy only metadata, and partial copy can copy real-time data up to 10,000 records, and the full copy sandbox is nothing but an exact replica of the production.
Yeah.
There are 2 types of environments. What is that? Sandbox and production. So coming to real time, we will develop our application using force.com platform in sandbox.
Yeah.
And production is nothing but end users who are working on the application.
Yeah.
That is nothing but a production. What is the URL login into sandbox?
Sandbox is test.com, test.salesforce.com.
Yes.
And production is login.
Login.salesforce.com.
Salesforce.com, yeah.
And refresh intervals, it will vary based on the developer sandbox. For developer and developer, it is 1 day.
1 day.
Partial copies for 5 days, and full copy is 29 days. It means the production contents will be replaced in the sandbox. So if you want to, in other platform, if we want to take any backup, we have to take entire backup. But here we will take the backup. It means production contents will be replaced in the sandbox. It means on single click. If we click on that refresh button, on single click, the content will be copied. And what we have discussed, types of services.
Vocabularies. Oh, yeah.
How many types of services are there?
Mm.
3 types of services.
Okay.
Infrastructure as a service, platform as a
Yeah,
service,
platform as a service and
software as a service.
yes, software. Yes, SA.
By the name itself, we can say it's a service. So
Yeah,
infrastructure is nothing but
using
what
hardware.
database servers.
Yeah,
If they are providing that one, it's an infrastructure as a service. So world
yeah.
leading vendor to provide the infrastructure as a service is Amazon,
Um, mm,
and PAAS, platform as a service.
so
So
yeah,
Salesforce is providing force.com platform,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And software as a service means providing software as a
Providing
service.
software.
Example, email, WhatsApp, Twitter,
Mm,
LinkedIn, okay, Instagram,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
Next, why we have to go to cloud computing?
Because we just need internet and we can access it from any part of the world. It's very easy.
Okay, but what are the uses to go to cloud? What are the advantages?
What that's what we can access it from anywhere.
Yes, through internet you can access from
So
anywhere. I
any
have said some few points.
that is
No need of any software installations,
yeah,
and a maintenance, upgradation, everything will be taken care by the vendor.
vendor, yeah, storage and all also we can,
Yes, and we don't
yeah,
want to buy the database. So
data, yeah,
whatever the much amount of data we are using, for that only we will pay for the vendor.
vendors, yeah,
Next, clear about this till now?
yeah,
But why we have to choose force.com platform? We can build an applications through Java, .NET, Oracle, right?
mm-hmm.
But why we have to choose force.com platform? There should be unique feature, right, to choose force.com platform other than Java, .NET.
Yeah.
But why to choose force.com platform? What is the reason? Any idea?
No.
So when we compare to other platforms, if we are building if we are building an application within 1 year on other platforms like Java, .NET, so we
Okay.
can build an application on force.com platform within 5 to 6 months. That's the main
Oh,
advantage.
okay.
Okay, as fast as
Yeah.
possible we can build an application compared to other technologies like Java, .NET.
Okay.
So sales, so there are programming languages, right? Java, .NET. So
Yeah.
similarly, Salesforce is providing Apex language. So here we will use Apex language. So
Yeah.
Apex language is used based on OOPS concepts. Do you have idea about OOPS? Object oriented programming language, OOPS
No.
concepts?
No.
Oh, if we will use OOPS concepts. Based on OOPS concepts, we will use Apex language. Salesforce is providing Apex language.
Okay.
Clear till now?
Yeah.
Next, what we are missing from yesterday's session?
Last
And
we talked about vocabulary.
yeah,
That is the
vocabulary,
yeah.
apps, tabs, yes object, fields, data, and
Okay.
record. App is nothing but set of services or
Yeah.
functionalities. Tab
Yeah.
is nothing but link to a page where we can create or update or viewing the records.
Records.
Yes, object is
Yeah.
nothing but it's a name given for a storage space. Whatever we
Storage
are storing,
space.
we store in a yes object. Yes object means Salesforce object.
Yeah.
Next, fields, properties of an S
So
object.
object.
Like example item, when we are creating Gmail, if you ask for first name, last name, those are nothing but fields. And data is nothing but whatever the data we are entering in that fields, that is nothing but a data. Next, record means after entering data, we will save, right?
Yeah.
So values across all the fields is nothing but a record. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, profile. What is profile?
That's the permissions given for
What
creating.
permissions? What permissions? Correct permissions.
Yeah, correct permissions. Create, read,
update, and delete.
Yeah.
Permissions over apps, tabs, yes object, fields, data, and record, right?
Yeah.
So over this, we will give the permissions in profile. Whatever the permissions we want to give, we will give in the profiles only. Okay, profile is nothing but permissions. Providing correct permissions.
Yeah.
Okay, after login, first user leads to what is our profile?
After, sorry?
We have went to first in PPT I shown you, right? Register at developerforce.com.
Yeah.
Then first user leads to which profile? What is our profile? First user leads to system administrator.
Oh yeah.
So our profile is system administrator.
System admin. Yeah.
So afterwards we will create apps, tabs, yes object as shown in the PPT, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. See, first we should know about something about Salesforce.com company. So Salesforce.com, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Salesforce.com is an American cloud-based software company headquartered in San Francisco and California. Okay. Next, who is the founder of the Salesforce? The company was founded in 1999 by ex-Oracle employee Mark Benioff. Okay. Next, it provides customer relationship management. It means they are providing CRM. In market, there are several CRMs, Oracle CRM, Sugar CRM, Zoho CRM. So similarly, Salesforce is providing Salesforce CRM. What is CRM? Customer relationship management. Okay. CRM consists of marketing, sales, and service. Clear?
Yeah.
The aim of the CRM is, its aim is to generate the customers and retain the customers.
Yeah.
Okay. About CRM, we will discuss later. It will take 1 hour about CRM. So just definitely I am saying its aim is to generate the customers and retain the customers.
Okay.
Clear till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Architecture of cloud computing. So entire cloud works on multi-tenant architecture. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, entire cloud computing cloud works on multi-tenant architecture. But what is multi-tenant? Multi-tenant is nothing but single environment shared across multiple users or organizations having common features as well as exclusive features. Okay, so cloud works on multi-tenant architecture. What is multi-tenant means? Single environment shared across multiple users. It means you are sharing with the multiple users or organization. We will have some common features as well as the exclusive features, right? Like if we say, if we take bank application, okay, there will be, if we go to a bank, we will create our savings account, whatever it may be. So we will have some common features as well as the exclusive features, right?
Yeah.
What are the common features and what are the exclusive features?
Everybody will get the account.
Sorry?
Exclusive features are, they'll have the account, right?
Okay.
So, but the exclusive features depends upon their, like if they want a savings account or different account, right?
Okay.
That depends. That doesn't mean like everybody needs to get the same savings account.
Okay. If we say, if you take example, suppose bank account number,
Mhm.
it's a common feature or exclusive feature?
Account number is common for everyone. Like
Common
common
for
means
everyone.
account number will be there, but
Yes,
different numbers
that's
will
what
be
I'm
there for.
saying. Account number will be exclusive,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like account number, bank balance, exclusive feature.
Yeah.
And what are the common features are there? Like bank
Same
IFSC.
bank.
Bank IFSC
Oh,
code is common feature, right?
yeah.
If we take loan, rate of interest, that will be common feature, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing but common features as well as the exclusive features shared across users or organization. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go and log in into our developer edition. So how to log in?
We have to go to developer.salesforce.com and log
For
in.
creating, we will go there.
I thought every time we log in, we have to go there and instead
No,
of
no.
create
Whatever the developer edition we have created, that is sandbox or production.
production,
Production. What is the URL to log in into production?
login,
Yes.
login.salesforce.com.
Salesforce.com. So we have to give our ID and password.
Yeah.
So remind me later. Okay, this is classic view. If we want to switch to lightning, we will click on switch to lightning
Lightning
XPT.
experience. Yeah.
Clear till now? Next, after login, what I said, we will create apps, tabs, CS object, fields, everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Salesforce is providing some standard applications, standard objects, standard tabs, standard fields. Okay. First, we will discuss about standard. Next, we will create application, object, or S object, tabs, fields. That is nothing but custom application. Object means custom object. Tab means
Custom.
custom tab. Whatever we are developing, whatever we are creating, that is nothing but a custom.
Custom.
Whatever, yes, that is custom. whatever it may be, Salesforce, what they are providing, that is nothing but standard. Okay, next. At right corner, we have content here. It is showing, right? So these are all standard applications. Sales application, service application, marketing application. Okay. Now we are in content application. Now let's switch to sales application. So we have to click on sales. If I want to switch to service application, I will click on service. Okay, these are all standard applications provided by the Salesforce. Clear?
Yeah.
Next. See, home, chatter, campaign, lead, account. These are all nothing but tabs. Okay.
Yeah.
Tab name will be the plural name, campaigns. Okay. Yes, object name will be the singular name. It means campaign.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, object name is singular name. Tab name is plural name. These are all the tabs. Accounts means yes, object name is account.
Account.
Contacts means contact. Opportunities means opportunity.
Yes.
Clear till now?
Yes.
Next, let's click on the account tab. So here we are having new button. So let's click on new button. See, these are all nothing but fields. Okay, account name, parent account, account number, account site type, industry. These are all nothing but fields. Just I already said, right? First name, last name, those are fields. Similarly, in an account object, these are all the fields. These are all standard fields. Okay. Now you are clear about application, yes object, tab.
Yeah.
Next, data. Whatever the values across the fields. So whatever the data I am entering here. So it is nothing but values across the fields. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, record. So if I click on save, now record is created. Okay, it is nothing but a record. Clear till now?
Yeah. We went to accounts and then pressed new, right? And then created this.
We have switched to one application. Okay.
Yeah.
We have clicked on accounts tab.
Accounts tab. Yeah.
We click on
And then new
button. Afterwards, we enter the data and we save. So this is the record.
Yeah.
Next, this is nothing but a detailed page of an S object.
Okay.
After saving the record, we are viewing the entire data, right? Whatever we have entered. It is nothing but a detailed page of a record. So if I click on edit, it is nothing but a edit page. If the record is in editable mode, then it is nothing but a edit page. So if you are viewing the data, it means not in a edit mode. It is nothing but a detailed page.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Next. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see what is SaaS and what is PAAS. So Who will use the PAAS and who will use the SaaS?
Whoever is developing will use PAAS, and whoever is in,
Can you speak a bit louder? I can't hear your voice clearly.
whoever is developing, like
Okay.
they will use platform as service, PAAS,
Yes. SaaS?
for when SaaS is software, right?
SaaS is?
That is a software as a service. So creating applications and writing codes come.
No, PAAS is correct. What you have said. So who are developing? Developers will develop the application, right? So they will use
Yeah,
the PAAS, platform as a
PAAS.
service.
Yes.
Software as a service. Who will use the
Is
software as a service? End users.
yeah,
So the end users who are going to use the application is nothing but a SaaS.
SaaS.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
if we click on any of the tab,
Mm-hmm.
okay, here we can create the records, right?
Yeah.
It means we are on SaaS. If we click on any of the tab, it means we are on the SaaS, software as a service. Okay, end users use this application, right? So I am using
Yes.
this sales application. So in sales
Okay.
application, I have clicked on account, I clicked on new and I have entered the data and I have saved the record.
Record.
It means I am the end user of this application.
Yeah.
So if we click on any of the tab, then we are using SaaS, software as a service. Clear?
Yeah.
Next. Now here we don't have any options to develop, right? Just we are creating the records.
Mm-hmm.
So if we click on here, if we see at the top, up top, right, we have setup. Now we are on accounts tab, right?
Yes.
So if we click on setup, see, now we are on not on the tabs.
Yeah.
Earlier tab was highlighted. On which tab we have clicked, the tab is highlighted. So
Highlighted. Yeah.
now we clicked on setup. So if we click on setup, see, we are getting some options. Administrator. In that we are getting some few options. There is pick list values. If we expand manage users, we are getting something.
Okay.
So if you come down, similarly, we have build, deploy, monitor. We are getting these options, right? So
Mm-hmm.
whenever we are going to develop, we will use this options. Okay. It means now we are on PAAS, platform as a service. Earlier we have created record, right? Can we create a record now?
Yeah. We
Here are we
can go.
getting any option to create a record?
Sorry.
Earlier we have created the record, right? Account record.
Uh-huh.
So now are we getting any option to create a record here?
No.
No, because now we are in PAAS on force.com
Okay.
platform.
Mm-hmm.
Force.com platform, who will use? Developers will use the force.com
Developers.
platform to develop our application. So we are getting here some options. We will using this, we will develop our application. Okay,
Yeah.
so here we don't have option to create a records. When we click on setup, now if we click on accounts,
Again, we can create one record.
we can
Yeah.
create a records. It means we are on software as a service. We
So
are using SaaS. We are using
yeah.
this application. It means we are
Mm-hmm.
the end user now.
Mm-hmm.
So if we are on any tabs, it means we are on SaaS, software as a service. We are using this application. If we are
Okay.
on setup, we are on PAAS, platform as a
PAAS.
service.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Next, not only account, we can click on contacts. We can create contact opportunities. We can click on new. We can create opportunity. Okay. So
Okay.
these are, if we are on any tab, we are on SaaS. We are using that sales application.
Mm-hmm.
It means we are the end users of these applications. Now we are on SaaS. We don't have any option to develop or develop our application here, right? When we are on SaaS. If you click on setup, now we are on PAAS, platform as a
PAAS,
service.
yeah.
We can be
Yeah.
using this option. We can develop our applications. Clear till now?
Yeah.
Next. So these are all standard applications. These are all standard tabs. Tabs name will be the plural name and object name will be the singular name.
Same.
Accounts is the tab. Tab means object name will be the account. Contacts is tab, contact, opportunity, forecast, contract, order. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. So these are all standard tabs. Okay. Standard applications, standard tabs,
Standard.
standard object, standard fields.
Yeah.
Clear till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Salesforce works on multi-tenant architecture and Salesforce has MVC pattern. Okay. MVC pattern is nothing but model, view, controller. Model is nothing but whatever the apps, object, tabs, fields, data, records we are creating, that will be in the model. Okay.
Yeah.
Controller is nothing but backend logic. Okay. View means user interface, how end users look the applications. So if you click on account, this is the view.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Next. Now you are clear about standard applications, object, tabs, fields, everything, right?
Yeah.
Now you know the definition of apps, yes, object, tab, field, data, record, profile.
Mhm.
You are clear, right? That one?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay. Now we are using standard application, standard object, standard tab, standard fields. So now let's try to create custom application, custom object, custom tab, custom field. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Before going to that, before creating, let's try to understand how to identify the app. First, how to identify the app? How you will identify the app?
By seeing the name of it.
By seeing the
Name of it.
no. You are going to create one custom application.
Okay.
What should be the name of that custom application?
Oh, okay.
We have to give some name, right, for that application. So what should be the name of that application? How you will identify the app name?
Based on what we are going to create.
Okay.
Can,
Okay.
like if we want to create a student record, so we can keep student 1 or something like that.
Okay. Okay. We will discuss that about student later. First, it is also correct, but we can, okay, I will say that first, how to identify the app. Whatever is the business of the client. Okay. That is marked as a application. Example, whatever is the business of the client, that is marked as an application. So if the client is into hospital, okay, then we can give relevant name. Then we can give the app name as hospital management. Okay. Similarly, now students will come to institutes, right, to learn the course. So I want to build application for the institute. Then what I will do? I will mark the application name as institute management. We can identify the app by the relevant name. We can give whatever is the business of the client, that is marked as an application. Okay. You are clear, right? This one?
Yeah.
Next. So next, similarly, how to identify yes object. How you will identify the yes object? So it is nothing but key pillars of the business. So student will come to institutes to learn the course. So we will mark the application name as the, that is the business, right? That is client.
Yeah.
Client is into institute business. So
Yeah.
the application name we will mark it as institute management system. So to run the institute, what data we need? What are the key pillars of that institute? To run institute, what we need?
We need students, teachers.
Yes, we need students. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. And what we need?
Teachers, the tutors or
Student.
teachers.
This means faculty.
Yeah.
Next. Only students and faculty.
Classes.
Classes
The
means
timing.
course.
The time.
What
Yeah. Course.
student want to take.
Yeah.
And there will be branch, right?
Yeah.
So these are the key pillars of the institute management application.
Mm-hmm.
So without student, there will be no institute, right? Without faculty, there will be no institute. Without course, we should have branches.
Yeah.
So to run the institute management system application, these are the key pillars of the business.
Yeah.
We may have more key pillars also, but we are mentioning few of them. Okay, these are the key pillars of the business. Here, what is the business? Institute management. To run the institute management, we need these key pillars: student, faculty, course, and branch. And already I told you, yes object is nothing but a singular name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, tab name will be the plural name.
Yeah.
Students, faculties, courses, branches.
Courses, branches.
Okay, it's not a mandatory to give a plural name for the tab. It's not mandatory, but by seeing the plural name, we can recognize that it is a tab. Okay, by seeing the singular name, we can say it is an yes object.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not a mandatory to give a plural name, but as per naming conventions, we will give plural name for the tab. By seeing that name, we can recognize it is a tab. It is a yes object. By seeing singular name, we can recognize it as a yes object. By seeing the plural name, we recognize it as a tab.
Tab.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now you are clear about app, yes object, tab.
Yes.
Next, after tab, what we have?
Record.
No. Fields.
Fields.
If we have fields only, then only we will enter the data and we will save the record. First, we should have fields, right, to enter the data.
Yeah, yeah.
So, how to identify the fields? So, first point, identify all transactions in business. Okay.
Yeah.
So, next point, to perform a transaction, we require data, right?
Yeah.
We require data. So, the data will be captured through fields. this fields is mapped as property of an yes object. Okay, see how to identify the fields. Identify all transactions in the business. Transactions means whatever the objects we are creating, what fields we required for the student, faculty, course, branch. If we take student, what fields we require? Student name, student email ID, student phone number, right? And student date of birth, student age. And if we come to faculty, we should have faculty name and faculty ID, right? If we take course, we should have course name and we should have course fees. And if we take branches object, we should have branch name, right? So these are all nothing but transactions. Identify all transactions in the business. So to perform this transaction, we require data. So the data will be captured through fields. In fields only we will enter the data, right?
Yeah.
In the fields only we will enter the data. The data will be captured through fields. So the fields is mapped as a property of an yes object. In yes object, we will create that fields. That fields is mapped as a property of an yes object. So by yesterday also we have discussed what is yes object, fields, data, right?
Yeah.
Clear till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try to create one custom applications, that is institute management system. Okay. How to create a custom applications. Now are we in SaaS or a PAAS?
No, we are on PAAS because accounts is highlighted, so we are on PAAS.
We are on
PAAS, PASS, PAAS.
no SaaS. We are using
No,
this application.
accounts is highlighted, right?
Yes, we clicked on tabs. When we are on tab, SaaS.
Yeah.
So can we create our custom applications here?
Yes, we can create it. No. We have to go to setup.
Now we are the end users of this application.
Yeah.
It means we are using SaaS. It means we can use the. It means we can use this application. We don't have option to create a custom.
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to create, then I want to go to PAAS, platform as a service. How to go to platform as a service PAAS? They have to click on
go to setup button.
Then we are on not and tabs. It means we have clicked on setup. Now we are not on tabs. It means now we are using PAAS, platform as a service. So when we are using platform as a service, now we are having some options. Now you are clear about SaaS and PAAS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Click on setup. If you scroll down, there will be build. In build, create. If we expand this one, here we have apps. Okay. If you don't know the navigation, then we can directly search here. See, directly it will display in build, in create, apps. Okay. Click on. So these are all the standard applications. Okay. Let's try to create new, our custom application. So here it will ask to create custom app and console. It is nothing but sales application. It is nothing but a service application. So now we are not going to learn service. We are going to learn sales cloud.
Yeah.
So let's select custom app and click on next. So here we have to give the name of the application. So I will give it as institute management. Okay.
Yeah.
So both are same, app label and app name. So this is the description. So you can enter about institute management system. If you want to enter any something description about this institute management system application, you can enter here.
Yeah.
But what is the difference between these two fields?
Sorry. The app label and app name.
1 minute. So we are creating the records, right? So
Yeah.
this is a field and these are also field, but here it is showing some red mark. What is that?
Red mark. I can't.
Yeah, here we have right. What is that? But we are not having red mark for this. What is this?
I think those are mandatory because those are the.
Yes, mandatory fields. So if I
Yeah.
try to save this record, will it save? No. It's a mandatory field.
Mandatory.
We have
Yeah.
to enter compulsory. We have to enter this mandatory fields. So similarly, app label and app name we have to give mandatory because it's a mandatory. So description is an optional. It's not a mandatory. So if you want to give description, you can give about the description about this institute management system application. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on next.
Mm-hmm.
Next. If I want to load image for this institute management system application,
Mm-hmm.
like I want to put my institute logo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have, if I want to upload, then we have to click on insert image. Now we don't have any images here. That's why it is not showing. Otherwise, we can upload the image here. Okay. So now we are in sales application, right? So that whatever the logo we are uploading here, that logo will be displayed here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here it will display. If I load in our institute logo, that institute logo will be displayed here. Okay, now we don't have any logos here. If you want to load, just you click on this plus tab, plus. These are all tabs, right? This plus is nothing but all tabs.
Where I can't. Oh, there the plus. Okay.
Here plus is there, right? At the end,
Yeah.
it is nothing but all tabs. It will display all tabs.
Okay.
So these are all tabs. So in this, if you search for the documents, click on that, click on new. So here you have to give the institute logo some name, and you have to enable this one. And you want to store in my you will share this in this folder, so that logo will be uploaded here. Okay. And you have to click on save. Then this logo will be uploaded in the documents. So if you upload the logo in the documents, then only that logo will be displayed here. Because we didn't loaded any logo, right? That's why it is not displaying. If you load the logo there, it will display here. That image will be displayed here. Okay. And the size should be smaller than 20 KB. Okay. If it is less than 20 KB only, it will upload. Otherwise, it will not upload. Next,
So
click on it. Yeah. Tell me.
If we don't have any image, we don't need to apply, right?
If we don't need, if we
don't have any image, and
yeah, you can leave it. It's not a mandatory.
We can leave it.
You can leave it.
That's what.
If you want to upload, you can upload. You have an option.
Okay.
Click on next. So see, choose the tabs to include in this custom application. What is our custom application? We are creating institute management system application. So in this institute management applications, what are all the tabs you need to include? So these are all standard tabs, right?
Standard, yeah.
We are displaying here home, chatter, campaign list. These tabs are displaying in sales application. If you switch to service application, all tabs will not display. Only chatter, account, contact, case, solution, reports, and dashboards will display. And if I switch to sales application, more tabs will be displayed. Okay. Clearly.
So
Yeah.
we can keep in sales application only and we can do it, right? Or we need to change it into the service one again?
No, you can keep in any application.
Okay.
If I want to use sales application, then I want to switch to sales application. If I want to use service application, I will switch to service application. After creating our custom application, that institute management system also will display here. Then if I want to work on that institute management system, then I will switch to this institute management system application.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we will see that now.
Yeah.
Next. So these are all the standard tabs. So what are all the tabs you want to include here? Account, contacts, opportunities. So whatever the tabs I want to include in this institute management system application, then I will add the tabs. So I can reorder this one also. It's like this. Okay. But by default, home tab is selected. Okay. I want to remove. I don't want that home tab. I will remove this one. See, it is giving error. The home tab cannot be removed and must be first tab. It means for any application, for standard application or custom application, home tab should be mandatory. Home tab is mandatory. We cannot remove home tab. Okay. And if I want to, we can reorder these tabs, right? So I want to reorder the home tab.
We can't.
Will not allow. See, home tab cannot be removed. We are unable to remove the home tab and must be the first tab. It means we cannot reorder the home tab. It should be the first tab. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Next, what are the default landing tabs? So it will display home tab, and whatever the tabs we have selected here, the tabs will be displayed. It means, see, now I am in sales service application, right? I will switch to sales. Now on which tab it is landing? Home tab. It is highlighted.
Yeah.
If I switch to service application, for that also home tab. If I switch to marketing, so every application is landing to home tab. It is highlighted, right? So here, if I declare default landing tab as account, then when we switch to the institute management system application, it will land on account tab.
Yeah.
Then the account tab will be highlighted. Okay. Okay. I have selected default landing tab as accounts. So here we can reorder the tabs. Home tab cannot be removed and home tab should be the first tab. Clear? Click on next. So now we are creating the custom application. So this custom application should be visible for which profile? Okay. No. We are creating institute management system application. This application should be visible to which profile? It means there in organization there will be different users, right? Multiple users. So for every user will have different profile.
Yeah.
I don't want to give access for all the users. I want to give access to the some specific profile users. Okay. What is our profile? System administrator. So I will give permission only to system administrator. Click on save. Clear till now?
Yeah.
See, now our application institute management system, it is displayed here. By seeing this, how can you say whether it is a standard or custom? I will ask you whether sales application is standard or custom. How you will say? What you will say?
That's the standard one.
Standard. How you are coming to know? How you know it's a standard? See, here there is option custom. Okay.
Okay.
See, for institute management system, it is enabled. It means this application is custom application.
Okay.
If you see to sales, it is not custom. It means it's a standard.
Standard. Okay.
Clear? And we are getting delete option for our institute management system only, not for other applications. Why?
Other applications. Because those
Why?
are all standard and this is the only custom one.
These are the standard applications provided by the Salesforce. We cannot delete the standard applications.
Standard application.
So this is our custom applications, which we have created now. So we can delete that one.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Next. So now if we see now institute management system application, it is displaying here. Okay. So we have, what is our profile? System administrator. While creating this institute management system application, we give permission only to system administrator profile, right? So that's why it is displaying this application. If we didn't give the permission for system administrator, then this application will not be displayed for us. We have given the permission for the system administrator profile. Our profile is system administrator, right?
Yeah.
So that's why this institute management system application is displayed here. Now let's click on this. Let's switch to this, our custom application, institute management system.
Yeah.
See, home tab, accounts, contacts, opportunity. These are only, right? We have added three tabs, and there we have mentioned default landing tab as accounts. So that's why when we switch to this institute management, directly it will land to accounts tab.
Accounts.
Clear till now?
Yeah, clear. One second. Yeah. So first, for creating this institute one, so we went to setup, after that build, after that new.
Click on setup. You can directly search here apps. So in build, in create apps, it will display here. If you don't know the navigation, like this, you can search. Otherwise, if you know the navigation, then you can scroll down.
Go to build and
create. Click on apps.
Yeah.
Here we will click on new and we will enter the application name.
Details. Yeah.
Application details. If you have the logo, you can upload the logo.
Upload the logo and then go for this.
This application should be visible to which profile. There we will give the permission for the profile, and we will save the application. Yeah. So that application will be displayed here. And if it is a customer standard, we can see here it's a custom, but it is enabled. See here, custom column is there, right?
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
So it means it's a custom application, and we cannot delete the standard applications. We will not get the delete option for the standard applications. We will get only delete option for the custom applications.
Custom.
So in this application, I have added three tabs, right? Account, contact, and opportunity. Now I don't want the tabs. I want to remove. So click on edit. So this is the label we have given. If you upload the image now, also you can upload afterwards. Okay. So I don't want this. So I will remove this one. Click on that, remove. If you want to reorder, yeah, tell me.
We can always add and remove the tabs by using that edit one.
Yes.
Okay.
While creating an application, we can add. Otherwise, if you want to add later, also you can add. If you want to remove later, then also you can remove the tabs.
Okay.
So if we remove all the tabs, the default landing tab will be home tab only, because
home tab.
Only one tab is selected there, home tab.
Yeah.
So we cannot remove the home tab and we cannot reorder the home tab. It should be the first tab for any application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I told you right. There are two views: classic and lightning. If you see this application in a lightning also, then you have to enable show in lightning experience.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, this application, when you switch to lightning, this application will not be visible. If you create the application also, it will not be visible in the lightning view. If you want to view in lightning also, then you have to enable this show in lightning experience. So we have given only permission to the system administrator. If you want to give, you can give. Okay.
Yeah.
And by giving, I forgot to tell you default. If you enable default for our profile, there are so many applications permission, right? Institute management, sales, service, marketing. So when you log in, if you want to directly switch to institute management system, when you log in, we have access to all these applications, right? When you log in, for which application you have to directly switch to which application. So if I click on this default, when I log in, directly I will switch to institute management system application. Then no need to switch here. Directly we will come to institute management system application.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
See, now all tabs is removed. Only home tab is there in the institute management system application. Clear? Any doubts till now?
No, as of now it's clear, but I have to see. I'll go and create it and see if I can.
If you understand, it will not take more than 2 minutes.
Yeah. As of now, I think I can do, but I'll be doing in the evening, right? So I'll see if I can remember it and do it.
Okay. If you, anyhow, I will share the link within 1 hour. I'll share in the drive. You can go through that link, and if you have doubts, tomorrow you can ask.
Yeah, sure.
You're clear, right, so far?
Yeah. I'm all right so far.
Okay. Try to create. Anyhow, you have created your developer edition. Try to create a custom application and try to understand what is SaaS, what is PAAS. Okay.
Yeah.
Try to understand this. Once you see the video again, you will get more clarity. Then we have completed how to create an application. Tomorrow we will create how we will see how to create an S object, how to create a tab, how to create a fields.
Okay. Yeah. No worries.
Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.